Hello everyone, I'm happy to present our late-breaking work, an analysis of Password Manager's password checkup tools. There are a wide variety of password managers on the market, including third-party, browser-based, and system-based password managers. Many of these password managers have checkup services that check a user's password vault for weak and breached passwords. However, it is unclear how effective these checkup tools are and how they compare to each other. To fill this research gap, we asked the following questions. Do password manager checkup tools accurately report weak and breached passwords? And are checkup tools consistent across different password managers? That is, do different password managers report the same number of weak passwords? To answer these research questions, we first needed to build a representative password corpus that included breached, strong, and weak passwords of different classes. To illustrate this flowchart depicts how we collected each password. Namely, we collected weak and breached passwords from publicly available sources, namely SIGCHI and Have I Been Pwned. We then took a sample of these passwords and fed them to RSMangler, which generated slightly altered versions of these passwords. This represented the weak passwords of our dataset. We also collected 315 non-breached passwords of various classes. We then selected 14 password managers for testing. We chose LastPass, 1Password, Dashlane, Keeper, Bitwarden, Roboform, NPass, Norton's Password Manager, Safe and Cloud, Sticky Password, and KeyPass for our third-party password managers, Chrome and Edge for our browser password managers, and Safari's Keychain for our system password manager. For our methodology, we then uploaded the weak, breached, and strong password corpuses to every password manager and recorded the results from their checkup tools. We also recorded any information about how the password manager calculates the strength of passwords in its vault. For our results, we found that most password managers marked at least 50% of weak and breached passwords as weak. However, no password manager marked all weak or breached passwords as weak. In fact, some password managers marked known breached passwords as strong. Additionally, while some password managers were better at detecting breached passwords than others, no password manager marked every breached password as breached. This is highly concerning, since checkup tools are often subscription-based and paid for by the user. Additionally, all breached passwords we used during testing were found in publicly accessible databases. Moving forward, we recommend that password managers are more transparent with users, especially with how they calculate password strength. Inconsistency between password managers may confuse users. Additionally, password managers should mark all breached passwords as weak, so users do not use known breached passwords. We also recommend password manager developers use multiple databases of breached passwords, especially public ones such as SIGCHI. For future work, we intend to look at what degree password manager users use checkup tools, how they use them, and explore ways to better support their usage. On that note, I'll say thank you, and please reach out if you have any questions.